reminder that there's always a great big view tomorrow.
What's up? Yeah, I'm watching my stuff. I'm not trying to be like you. What's up, y'all? So, I don't know if y'all realized on one of the vlogs, we told y'all that we're going from the cruise to Universal and then to Disney. But somebody over here wanted to just skip Universal's, like the first day of Universal, and go here.
Look.
Do y'all see that castle? This is not Universal Studios. I do not see E.T. I do not see the Hulk. I do not see Spider-Man. I see a castle. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is not at Universal Studios. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on?
Yes.
Shaking my head. I can't believe she dragged me here.
No, I can't even drive, so how would I drag him here?
No.
No, you wanted to come.
She forced me to come. She forced me to come. Y'all, she forced me to come.
No.
She forced me to come.
No.
She forced me to come.
That is such a lie.
It's not a lie. Yo, I checked in at Universal. She said, okay, the GPS is set for Magic Kingdom.
Why are you lying?
I'm inside the hotel like, what? I came back, I'm like, what? I'm like, hold. The car isn't even ours. This is a rental car. We still gotta return the rental car. Nah, but since we're here, we got some fast passes. About to go ride.
Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, Buzz Lightyear. So.
And he's about to get his butt whooped. I'm gonna win.
Who is she kidding? I always win. I went at Buzz Lightyear. I went at Toy Story. I went all of them.
Yeah, y'all. We'll see at the end of this.
Yeah, we will. All right.
See.
Yeah, we'll see. Alright, so I know y'all saw that score.
Let me explain. The only reason why he won is because I had to control the little cart.
I tried to do it.
He wasn't controlling it at all.
I tried to do it, but she got mad saying, no, stop, you messing me up,
No,
I'm trying to control it.
He didn't control it. He wouldn't try to control it.
I beat you by almost 200,000, so like either way.
Because you did it in the room that matter most.
It don't matter.
Along the way, you bring you the exciting places you want to be sure to
She's just mad. Don't be a sore loser. It's okay.
Okay, well right now we're on the People Mover.
Yeah, we are.
And we moving around, people watching.
So keep your eyes peeled.
Basically.
You never know who you might see.
Oh, Goofy! Made you look. Yeah, that's his favorite character, y'all.
Yeah, it is. I'm not gonna lie. I think she's the one that's actually goofy though. I think you're the goofy one though.
You want to ride with your greatest escape?
No, I hate that ride. I don't like that ride at all. I just don't like it. Even when I was a kid, I never liked it. I tried it again when I was an adult.
Mischief maker in the galaxy under control.
Alright, y'all. We're going to just enjoy people watch and we'll see y'all later.
If you want to visit movie star trainers, where you'll find the greatest hits from around the galaxy. That's right. And speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive to the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
They can't even see us.
Circular theater celebrates the progress that is made online.
They ain't even singing.
It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great big view tomorrow.
Alright guys, we're back from the People Mover. Now where we headed?
Big Sunday.
Cool, yep.
We can kind of peruse because that fast passes I think is between 6:45 and 7:45. So.
And if my clock telling skills was correct, it's only 6:17.
So we can peruse.
Cool. Yeah, I still can't believe that we're even here. You know, we weren't even supposed to be here, but at the end of the day, it's just a
Nobody wanted to come.
Well, we're just blessed that we can just, you know, stroll up in here like it ain't nothing, you know. Just came off a cruise, now we're supposed to be in Universal Studios, but we said, well, I mean, the thing is, we didn't have tickets anyway to go to the park anyway. We were just gonna go to Universal. We were just gonna go to City Walk.
Yeah.
So.
But I mean, we figured, like, we have the rental car, which is very rare for us in Orlando, and then we also have annual passes, so might as well use them.
Yep. So.
Although, this is how you know that we're very unprepared, because one, we forgot our little fan visitors. Two, our thinking brains aren't on because we should have brought our cooling towel.
And they're in the car. We just bought them at Walmart like an hour ago.
Let's go.
Yeah, well, as you can see, this is
so many people are looking at us because we're like, wow.
With this camera. Yeah. I don't care. They can look all they want to.
Y'all, these lines are ridiculous.
What do you expect? You know, it's the end of summer. Trying to get that last vacation out, you know, at Disney World. Magic Kingdom at that. Imagine the Animal Kingdom, Pandora. We'll be there. We'll see y'all there. What, on Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I think it's Wednesday.
I forgot to print out the
It's cool. All right, so Big Thunder Mountain, here we come. All right, a quick pit stop.
Oh, look, they have the Haunted Mansion Game of Life.
Quick pit stop. We're in here on the Dooney Quest.
We are not on the Dooney Quest.
Yes, we are, because you know you love the Doonies.
But I'm not buying one.
Yeah, that's what you say now. Until I coerce her to do it.
Oh, look at this hat. And I am your ghost. I forget the rest of the lyrics.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, that was you?
Yeah, that was me.
I thought I actually stepped on the gum. Oh, that's nice. How much do you think that costs?
10,000. Oh, wow. Can I get a loan? It is nice. How big is this place? Are you paying how much money for that though?
No.
There's another Haunted Mansion door over there.
Ah, burn myself.
It's my phone case on the side of the house.
These are the little thingies that's like around the top of
Yeah, whenever the room
They
stretches.
stretch, yeah.
You come here too often. It's not bad for Disney prices.
What is humanity's thoughts?
Disney prices, it's not bad.
I don't know. Like, is it something that isn't like...
Actually, these are like, no, those are not. I was gonna say shirts for like,
The party?
yeah, okay. I guess we'll go out this way.
Yeah, we got this way. It's packed. Which way?
This way.
I don't know. I've been here for 6 years. I've been here 6 times within the past 4 years, and I still don't know where I'm going. It's okay. I'll figure it out one day. My bad. I got long legs. Well, compared to you, but I'm still short though. It's all good though. My bad. I didn't let go of your hand. Another detour. Where are we?
We are on the Liberty Bell.
Yep.
We couldn't get enough of ships, so we're on another. This time not a ship, but a boat.
Yeah. Yep. What time's our fast pass again?
Huh?
What time's our fast pass again?
6:45.
We still got like, what? 15 minutes.
But right now, we also have to think about dinner.
Yeah.
We have to think about what we want for dinner.
Yeah, we will figure it out. You know.
Well, yep.
Since it's such a last minute, you know, trip to Magic Kingdom, so we gotta figure it out. We will though.
Now let's see.
No, you got my surprise for that.
Sam, tell our guests everything you know about this river.
Well now, I always figure it is better to keep your mouth shut and appear stupid than to open it and this. I love this.
All right, y'all, we're on our way to where? Big Thunder Mountain. That was a fail. Anyway, we got Fast Pass. Finally, it's time to go to Big Thunder.
Okay, y'all.
Go ahead, say it again.
Okay, y'all. Guess it's time to say bye-bye to Magic Kingdom.
Bye-bye, Magic Kingdom. Oh, my bad. I don't know where I'm going. You ride the monorail.
Yeah. It's time to say bye-bye to Magic Kingdom.
For
We were
now.
here for a couple of hours. We
Yep.
got to use 3 fast passes.
Yeah, surprisingly.
Yeah. What did we ride? We rode Buzz Lightyear, Big Thunder, and Pirates.
Yep.
But time to head on back to Universal.
Yep.
Get some dinner because I'm hungry and tired. We woke up at 6, had a long day.
Yep.
Logged over 13,000 steps.
Yep, so.
But yep. Bye-bye, Magic Kingdom.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
See you on Tuesday.
Bye guys, take care.